So in the last video we saw how to make queries to the GraphQL server and respond to the resolvers. In this video we're going to see how the mutation works and what is mutation. So according to tutorials point, we have GraphQL over here, mutation, data in the data store, it and returns a value. Okay, mutation, update and delete. Mutation is just like insertion, updation and deletion of a query. Okay, so we have a mutation, create student, we are creating a student or adding a student, updating a student. So we are creating a student as for now, or creating a movie as per our case. So we have the create student mutation, we have the roots and the arguments. We have the arguments over here inside mutation. So inside our application we have, let us type a type mutation. This will be a mutation, and we have the name of the mutation as add movie, since we are going to use add movie by name. Okay, so we have add movie, the name is string. So now add movie mutation is going to take the name and string. The name is going to be string, this is going to be as an argument. It will take a second argument as the genre, and this is also a string, and which is not empty. The exclamation mark means it should never be empty or the mutation will never work. So we have add movie, and then add movie is of type movie, single individual movie. We don't want an array of movie to be added at once. So we have the name, genre and the year of the movie, individual movie, and this is going to add the movie inside our GraphQL server. So we have inside the resolvers, we have to make resolver. So inside resolver we have add movie, we have a function, and the function will return, let us hope what it will returns. First of all, it will take the arguments whatever you are passing, just like you are passing the name of the movie, it will take the name of the movie, it will take the genre of the movie and the year of the movie you are passing. So we have return args.name. So it will be better if we convert args.name into an object, since we are returning, or since we are passing multiple arguments to the add movie over here. So we have the name, one thing over here, second thing genre over here, and third thing year over here. So we have the name args.name. So this args.name is coming from there. So we have args.name. So let us try it inside the server. So now let's check history tab, close it. So now we have a mutation. Now we don't have a query, we have a mutation. Oops, I made a mistake. So now we have a mutation, not a query. Get rid of this. We have a mutation, and the name of the mutation is add movie, and you have to provide the name, which will never be an empty string. Name should be, let us see, new movie as for now. So we have new movie and then the name. I want the name of the movie. Now it complains add movie should have a genre and year, because inside the app.js you will see inside the schema you have the genre string which is not empty. String and year, all the three fields can never be empty. Okay, so the genre is horror and the year is, let us suppose, 2020. Okay, so now we have all the three fields over here. So let us add. Okay, we have the name as new movie. So now let us confirm it if it is coming from here or not. Let us change the new to the old. Okay, new movie, not new movie, old movie. And now if I hit enter, okay, we have the old movie right here in the output. So we have the add movie mutation working fine for our GraphQL server. We have the resolvers running fine for our GraphQL query, but it is returning name. So we can add the genre and the year as well. So now we are pretty much done with the mutations. We have integrated mutations into our app. In the next video, we are going to use the MongoDB collection over here. So we are not going to take any of the data from our local array objects or the movies array. We are going to add our own data inside the MongoDB and use it from there. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.